Hello students, today we'll try to study about use of logarithms, the use of log tables, or we also call it common logarithms, to solve some problems. So let's take some of the problems mentioned here. We have the problem to solve 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. We have 8, 7, 65 multiplied by 43, 21, and so on. Okay, we'll take one by one and solve using the log tables. Okay, let's take the first problem here. We have 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 5, 6, 7, 8. So to begin with that, we normally begin with, we say, let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we normally write taking log, that's a logarithm, both sides. This is the normal practice. Okay, therefore you get log of x is equal to log of 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you see this is the terms of log of a multiplied by b. We have to recollect the formula, okay, which was given to you earlier. It was log of a plus log of b to some base, we say a is nothing but log of a multiplied by b to the same base. So this is the what we have. So we'll take the left hand side and right hand side balance. So we'll get this as log of x is equal to log of 1, 2, 3, 4 plus log of 5, 6, 7, 8. So this part is this. So we convert into log of a plus b. Thus now next step is to find the logarithm using the log table. So we write log of x is equal to, now while finding log, you know that we first find this number digit before decimal. So there is no decimal here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1. That is what we do. 4 minus 1, 3, whereby we use n minus 1 strategy. So 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So we write 3 point log of 12 under 3 mean difference 5. Okay, so we'll find this using log tables. Okay, so we have log of 12 under 3 mean difference. So we'll go to the log tables. We can see the log table, log of 12 under 3, that's for 0899. We can note down this 0899 plus will the mean difference, that is under 5, under, okay, under 4 it is. So under 4 it will be 14. If you add this, it will be 3.0913. Okay, plus now we need to find the logarithm of the 56 under 7 mean difference 8. So we'll go to this log tables again. So if you see here, it is log of 56 under 7 comes to 7536. Okay, that comes to nothing but 75 under 7, that's 7536, and the mean difference is 8. So we'll add all this. 7536 under mean difference 8 means 6. If you add this, you will get 7542. So you'll get 3.7542. This 3 has come from again 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 minus 4, the characteristic is 3. So we have to do simple addition here to get the answer. Therefore we get log of x is equal to, just add this. So 2 plus 3 become 5, 4 plus 1 become 5, okay, 5 plus 9 become 14, carry 1. So with this we get 6.8455. Okay, so we have got this. Now we have got log of x, but we don't want log of x, but we want what is the x. So we say this is normal. We write, once you know how to do it, write this also. Taking, we say empty log both sides. This is a normal procedure, both sides. Therefore when we take empty log both the side, it will be something like this: empty log of log of x and empty log of, what you get is 6.8455. And you saw the empty log and logarithm will cancel, and you simply get x is equal to empty log. You can write short form also empty, but if you want to write your full form, you can write empty log of 6.8455. So we have to find the empty log of using the empty log tables. So we'll go to find out. Now you see the empty logarithm will be 84 under 5 mean difference 5. Let's try to find out using the log tables. So we are finding the empty log of 0.84 under 5 mean difference 5. Let's go here. You can see here 0.84 under 5. Okay, 0.84. Okay, this is what I'm taking here, under 5. That comes to 6998, and the mean difference also 5. If you see from the top, you can see mean difference 5. It comes to 8, and if you add this, it comes to be a very simple number, that is 7006. Okay, now we have to fix the decimal point. To fix the decimal point, we see the characteristic here. It is 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. What we are using here, n plus 1, that is 7. So we have to put a decimal after 7 digits. But we have only 4 digits here, because our natural logarithms or common logarithm has a 4 digit system. So we'll have to make it 7. So how do we make it? We'll say 5. Okay, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 4, 5, 6, 7. So after this 7 put and put a decimal. So we got the answer. So we'll write this as, more or less, I'll write this is some approximation, because of the we have the limitation of the logarithm. Therefore we'll write in somehow. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 5, 6, 7, 8. You can write is equal to, or you can approximate also if you want. It comes to 7006000.0. This is how you find the solve a problem. Thus the answer we have found of the first problem is, we can approximate because this is otherwise can write directly. So it comes to be nothing but 7006 point no 000.0. Similarly, we'll try to find the 875 into 43. I think you can get the answer. We'll try to solve the third problem here. Okay, so you can try the second problem the way I solved the first problem. Everything is same, only the small numbers will change. Okay, let's try to solve the problem number 3. Okay, let's take the next problem. It's the third problem. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do same procedure I did earlier also. We'll say let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again we'll take the log both the sides. So if you want, you can write here. I'm taking directly here. So we get log of x is equal to log of 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you remember this is how this is we get from the formula. Log of a minus log of b to some base a is nothing but log of a divided by b to the base a. So it is a by b. So same thing we get a by b. So we'll get minus. So whenever you have divisions like this, we'll write as minus. So we get log of x is equal to log of 1, 2, 3, 4 minus, because it's a division here, using this formula here. So we get log of 5, 6, 7, 8. Now as you know that we will find a log both the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get 3 point log of 12 under 3 mean difference 4, which you have found just earlier problem is 0.913 using the log tables, minus, okay, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 point log of 56 under 7 mean difference 8. That comes to 7542 using the log table. Same thing what we did in the first problems. Okay. Now we are going to subtract, simple subtraction. So this will become 6.0913 minus 3.7542. So 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 become 1. So now we'll carry 1 here. So 11 minus 4 becomes 7. 8 minus 5 becomes 3. Okay, and the 1 we carry from here to make it 10. So 2 remains here. 10 minus 7 becomes 3 point. This 2 minus 3 will become minus 1, but we write it as bar 1. This is minus 1 to 2 minus 3, but we write as bar 1. So we get log of x is equal to bar 1.3371. Okay, now we don't want the log of x, but we want x. So if you want to write, you can write taking anti-log both the side, or you can do directly. So it will be something like, anti-log, okay, log of x, okay. So we write anti-log 7.1. So this anti-log log and cancels, and we get x is equal to anti-log of bar 1.3371. Okay, so we try to use the log table and find out anti-log of 0.3 under 7 mean difference 1. Okay, thus we try to find 0.33 under 7. 0.33 under 7, you can see this under 7, that comes to nothing but 2173, and the mean difference is here 1, and see the mean difference here, so this comes to 0. Yeah, 0. So your final answer will be nothing but x is equal to 2173. Okay, now only question comes where to mark a decimal point. So we have to take this, because in while finding anti-logarithm we'll take n plus 1. So now we have bar 1 plus 1, and bar 1 nothing but the minus 1 plus 1, that comes to 0. So we'll put a 0. This is the anti-logarithm of given number, or the while solving this number 1 to 2 we get. So finally write, therefore our x is equal to, therefore we write 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 is nothing but 0.2173. This is how you can solve. Yeah. So you can get that 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 0.2173. This is how you can solve, and the problem given. So only to take care that if it is a division, it become minus. If it is a multiplication, it will be plus. Okay. Let's go back to the problems. Thus the answer comes to, this is nothing but 0.2173. Okay. Again you will use the same way this, and this problem also you will solve the same way that we have solved. When coming to this problem here, we have to do same way in problem 5 and 6. Only here characteristics will be 1 and 2, so 2 digit minus 1 characteristic will be 1 point something. Similarly here also you get plus 1.20 under 2, and add them, then find the anti-logarithm, you will get answer. Similarly here it will be, see the same numbers are given up this, just to you see that you don't make mistake. So 50.5 divided by 24. So here again you will get 51 and 2. Before 2 decimal there are only 2 digits. So 2 minus 1 become 1 point some. If you use the log table, find the log of this, minus. Why here we are taking a plus, but here it will be minus because it's the division. So you will get 1 point. Again you see 1 and 2 digits, 2 minus 1. So 20 log of 20 under 2 mean difference 0. Mean 0 may be 0 only. So only 25 get. And you add this and get the answer. Yeah. So this is how all the problems can be solved. We'll continue further in the next video.